Choosing the right EDC pistol shouldn't feel like a gamble, so I did what most people talk about but never actually do. I bought 7 of the most popular concealed carry pistols and put them through the same brutal test: accuracy, recoil control, trigger consistency, reliability under stress, and real-world concealability. Some guns impressed me, some failed hard. But one pistol delivered performance so unexpectedly good, it completely changed my mind. Number 7. Taurus G3 Tactical. The Taurus G3 Tactical surprised me the moment I picked it up. For a gun in this price bracket, you don't expect this level of refinement, but Taurus clearly came to disrupt the EDC market. The slide cuts feel premium. The suppressor height sights are actually well aligned, and the threaded barrel gives you real customization options right out of the box. What impressed me most was the trigger. It isn't a mushy budget trigger like older Taurus models. This one has a clean take-up, a defined wall, and a reset that genuinely helps with quick follow-up shots. The grip texture locks your hand in without being overly aggressive, and the entire frame feels balanced in a way that makes the G3 Tactical shoot flatter than you'd expect. Reliability was also better than anticipated. No failures during my testing with FMJ or defensive rounds. For daily carry, it offers capacity, control, and surprising accuracy for the price. When you compare the G3 Tactical to guns costing almost double, you realize this pistol punches far above its weight class. It's not hype. It's genuinely one of the strongest value options on the market. Number 6. Gearsen MC28 SAT. The Gearsen MC28 SAT is one of those pistols you underestimate until you actually shoot it. Then it completely flips your expectations. This thing feels like a hybrid between a duty pistol and a budget-friendly EDC, offering features you'd normally see on a higher-tier gun. The slide serrations are deep and functional, the grip angle is comfortable, and the trigger is surprisingly crisp with a short reset that makes controlled pairs fast and easy. What impressed me most is how stable it feels during rapid fire. The recoil impulse is smooth, almost predictable, and you get that trackable front sight sensation that makes accurate shooting feel natural. The optics-ready configuration is another big win. You don't feel limited or forced into aftermarket parts. With a 15-round magazine and a frame that fits comfortably even for smaller hands, the MC28 SAT checks a lot of EDC boxes without trying too hard. During testing, it fed everything I put through it, from hollow points to steel case, without a single malfunction. When you want a pistol that performs better than its reputation, the MC28 SAT is that sleeper pick people don't talk about enough. It's reliable, affordable, and surprisingly capable. Number 5. Tisas PX9 Gen 3. The Tisas PX9 Gen 3 might be the most overlooked performance pistol in the entire EDC world. Tisas built this handgun to compete with premium brands, and honestly, they succeeded. The ergonomics are adjustable, the back straps fit naturally in the hand, and the stippling is genuinely well executed. The slide-to-frame fit feels tighter than you'd expect at this price, giving the gun a stable and controlled recoil impulse. The trigger is crisp and predictable, breaking cleaner than many striker-fired pistols that cost much more. What really impressed me was the optic cut. It's deep, secure, and actually holds zero. The PX9 Gen 3 also runs a variety of ammunition without hesitation, making it a dependable carry option. Even during extended range sessions, the pistol maintained consistency and accuracy without heating up excessively. It has that confidence-building feel where every shot seems to go right where you expect it. And for concealed carry, the compact frame and 15-round capacity hit the sweet spot. Tisas isn't just making budget guns anymore. They're making competitive firearms that absolutely earn their place in the EDC conversation. The PX9 Gen 3 is proof of that, and it shocked me how well it performed. Number 4. SIG Sauer P229 Legion. The SIG Sauer P229 Legion is what happens when a manufacturer decides to build a gun without compromise. This isn't just a pistol, it's a performance platform built for shooters who demand excellence. The Legion enhancements are immediately noticeable. The undercut trigger guard gives you a high natural grip. The checkering is aggressive but controlled. And the Legion gray finish isn't just cosmetic, it's durable and premium. The DA/SA trigger is exceptional, with a smooth double-action pull and a crisp, glass-breaking single action that elevates accuracy. The slide feels tank-like in the best way, giving the gun a stable recoil impulse and fast sight recovery. Shooting the P229 Legion feels controlled, deliberate, and incredibly satisfying. The X-ray sights are bright and extremely fast to acquire, even in low-light situations. Reliability, as expected from SIG, was flawless. No issues, no hesitations. In the EDC world, this gun sits at the intersection of power, precision, and duty-grade toughness. It's heavier than polymer guns, yes, but that weight is exactly what makes it shoot so well. If you want a compact pistol that feels elite in every single category, the P229 Legion absolutely delivers. Number 3. CZ P10C. The CZ P10C is often compared to other striker-fired pistols. But the truth is simple. CZ built this gun to outperform them. Right away, you notice the crisp trigger, arguably one of the best factory triggers in the striker-fired category. It has clean take-up, a firm wall, and a lightning-fast reset that makes rapid fire ridiculously easy. The ergonomics are classic CZ'd. Natural grip angle, deep beaver tail, and a shape that locks into your hand almost like a molded fit. The slide serrations are purposeful, giving the pistol a confident, duty-ready feel. On the range, the P10C shoots flatter than expected, with recoil that feels more controlled than other guns of similar size. The accuracy is incredibly consistent, and sight alignment comes naturally thanks to the smart frame geometry. Reliability? Perfect. It ran hollow points, cheap ammo, brass, steel, everything. The P10C is the textbook example of a pistol built for shooters, not trends. It's rugged, dependable, and designed with real-world performance in mind. For anyone looking for a compact carry gun with serious rangeability, the P10C stands tall as one of the most balanced EDC pistols ever produced. Number 2. Ruger American Pistol Compact. The Ruger American Pistol Compact is one of the most underestimated handguns in the concealed carry world. And honestly, shooting it made me question why it doesn't get more recognition. Ruger engineered this pistol to be tough, practical, and combat-capable right out of the box. The recoil system is incredibly well designed, absorbing energy in a smooth, predictable pattern that keeps the muzzle flat and manageable. The ambidextrous controls are genuinely useful, not just marketing. The grip modules allow customization without needing aftermarket parts, and the grip texturing is aggressive enough for control, but still comfortable for long sessions. The trigger surprised me. The break is clean, the reset is tactile, and it provides a level of consistency that helps accuracy significantly. What impressed me on the range was its stability. The gun returns to target quickly, and shot placement remains tight even during fast strings. Ruger's reputation for reliability shines here. The gun ate every type of ammo without a single issue. For concealed carry, it provides that ideal blend of capacity, control, and rugged durability. The Ruger American Pistol Compact isn't flashy, but it performs with a level of seriousness that absolutely earned my respect. Number 1. ZEV OZ9 Compact. The ZEV OZ9 Compact is what happens when a Glock-style platform gets pushed to its absolute performance limit. This gun is engineered, not assembled. The modular steel frame runs through the center of the pistol, giving it a rigidity and smooth recoil impulse that you can feel from the very first shot. Everything about the OZ9 Compact feels premium. The slide cuts, the stippling, the trigger geometry, the weight distribution. The trigger itself is phenomenal. Smooth take-up, crisp wall, and an ultra-short reset that makes rapid fire incredibly smooth. The gun tracks flat, almost unnaturally flat for a compact pistol, and that allows for rapid, accurate follow-up shots. What sets the OZ9 apart is its shooting confidence. It feels like a competition pistol that happens to be carry-sized. Reliability was flawless, even with mixed ammo types. The grip angle keeps your wrist in a natural position, and the frame's rigidity helps maintain accuracy even when pushing speed. Yes, it's expensive, but once you shoot it, you understand exactly where every dollar went. The OZ9 Compact isn't just a high-end gun. It's a peak performance EDC platform built for shooters who want the best. Outro. If you enjoyed this no-nonsense, real-world EDC showdown, hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more honest testing with zero bias. Your support pushes these deep dive comparisons forward. Until next time, stay safe, train smart, and carry with confidence.